The United States ranks number 1 in global military power, while Iran holds the 14th position. The U.S. remains the world's strongest military force. The United States spends around $895 billion annually on defense, while Iran's military budget is approximately $15.4 billion. The U.S. has approximately 1.3 million active military personnel compared to 610,000 active troops in Iran. The United States has about 800,000 reserve personnel, while Iran maintains approximately 350,000 reserve troops. The U.S. Air Force operates over 13,200 military aircraft, while Iran has around 500 combat aircraft, many of them aging models. The United States operates 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, while Iran currently has no aircraft carriers. The U.S. Navy has approximately 450 naval vessels, while Iran operates around 150 warships, including many fast attack boats. The United States operates 68 nuclear-powered submarines, while Iran has an estimated 19 to 25 conventional submarines. The United States possesses over 5,000 nuclear warheads, while Iran has no officially declared nuclear weapons. The United States leads with advanced drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, while Iran is well known for its Shahed attack drones. The United States has highly advanced long-range missile systems, while Iran possesses the largest and most powerful missile arsenal in the Middle East. The U.S. relies on Patriot and THAAD air defense systems, while Iran operates the S-300 and Bavar 373 missile defense systems. The United States fields around 4,640 M1 Abrams tanks, while Iran operates approximately 1,713 main battle tanks. The U.S. military operates over 391,000 armored vehicles, while Iran has approximately 65,000 armored vehicles. The United States operates 641 HIMARS rocket launchers, while Iran has approximately 1,517 multiple rocket launchers. The United States focuses on high-tech conventional warfare, while Iran specializes in asymmetric and guerrilla warfare tactics. The United States maintains over 750 military bases worldwide, while Iran's military presence is largely concentrated within the Middle East. The United States is a global leader in cyber warfare capabilities, while Iran has developed strong offensive cyber operations. The United States benefits from a secure homeland protected by 2 oceans, while Iran's rugged, mountainous terrain provides a strong natural defensive advantage. The United States is supported by allies including NATO, Israel, and Saudi Arabia, while Iran maintains partnerships with regional allied forces across the Middle East.